Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling remote desktop and verifying prerequisites. This gets you into the connection flow fast. Once done, open Settings, go to System, then Remote Desktop and toggle it on. This allows incoming sessions. Make sure the remote PC has a strong account password. Without that, Windows will block access. Also note the PC name or IP address now, because you will need it in the client. This first step removes guesswork and prepares you to connect securely. Next, configure the network and client so the session actually works. This is the detailed middle step. Open Windows Firewall, allow remote desktop, and add an inbound rule for TCP 3389 if necessary. This ensures packets reach the PC. On your client, launch Remote Desktop Connection, enter the PC name or IP, and enable network-level authentication for better security. If you're connecting over the internet, either set up router port forwarding to 3389 or, preferably, use a VPN. Finally, make the connection and finish the session setup. This wraps the process. Open the remote desktop client, paste the IP or PC name, then enter the user credentials. Accept any certificate prompt only if you trust the machine. Before you hit connect, tweak display size, local drives, and performance options to match bandwidth. Once in, use the Start menu and transfer files as needed. If you cannot connect, verify the IP firewall rules, NLA setting, and that the user is allowed in remote desktop users. This single check fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.